morning from the rainy state of Florida. Didn't really rain too much. It's been raining this morning a little while, and we gotta go to our next one by 3 o'clock, and we're only about a half hour away, so most likely we'll find something to do beforehand. Maybe I can head over there a little earlier. Actually, let me check my email. But anyways, we're gonna try to jump out real quick and make some coffee. 68 degrees and the rain stops. Alright guys, we got about a couple hours left here, a little less than that. So we're gonna chill. I took the carpets and put them up and try to get some water out, which is freaking they're definitely gonna go in the van wet. Show you guys the next site we're going for one night to cap off this little tour of Tampa. So come along, would ya? So let's just finish some coffee, see what time it is. So we got an hour and a half. So I got an hour to chill. And we'll get out of here exactly at 11. I did find a place to go and get some lunch. It's going to be early, but meanwhile we can actually probably find a trail since we'll be up in the Zephyr Hills area. It's called RJ's Wild Wings, and it's about 25 minutes west, so on the way to where we're going. And then probably stop at Publix, that way I can get some wood and get something for camp and cook tonight. Alright guys, well, it's a little after 10. Welcome to the reality of traveling in the van when it rains, because everything just gets soaked. I mean, I could have put everything up, but I didn't want to. Well, hey guys, let me introduce myself. I'm Trev Dev, and this is traveling around the country to show you the reality it is living in a camper microvan, traveling in a microvan, camping in a microvan, weekend camping, weekday camping, everyday camping in a microvan, with all different kinds of weather, obstacles, to show you the reality, what it's like. About 30 minutes to have to be out, which is fine. Once I have a break, I'm gonna run for it. You come along, would you? Get jump out real quick. This is going to conclude this beautiful campsite for the last 2 nights here at Colt Creek Campground here in Lakeland, Florida. Ooh, nice bird up there. And it's raining. It has been the last couple days. We're going on to the next one. Come along. I'm trying to get my shoes on without getting my socks wet. I'm putting on. And it's a son of a gun. Struggles. Alright guys, we're gonna take off. We're gonna go to this one place. It's about 25 minutes away. And then we don't have to be into our next spot, which is Hillsborough River Campground. We don't have to be there until until 3 o'clock. Probably can get there earlier, so I end up stopping at a few places. There and see what it's like, and I wouldn't be surprised that this next one is going to be a muddy. All right, let's get the pod started. Ready, Dookie? The reality of traveling in a small van to show you guys exactly what it's like in different circumstances. And you never know what you're going to get. Even though I'm only an hour from home and the next place is going to be a half hour, 45 minutes from home, I'm still going to make it happen to show you guys how you can still have fun even though it's raining. And it's supposed to rain the rest of the night until tomorrow, so most likely. The funny thing is I'll be home tomorrow and then it's going to be nice probably the next month with no rain at all. So, but I would suggest come check this out. If you got horses, you can come too.